Greetings everyone, welcome to MTG Cardz and Review. My name is Chris. Hey, thanks for stopping by. So, we're going to be opening up and doing quick packs out of this Commander Legends draft booster box though for the Battle for Baldur's Gate. But I just wanted to do a quick intro here though and kind of get things rolling here. So we're going to go ahead and open up the box. As you can see, it's sealed. Obviously, we're looking for basically any of the ancient dragons though, and any of the land cycle as well. We've got a card there, and we've got our draft booster packs. So we are going to go ahead and for this quick pack series though, we're going to go ahead and actually open up 3 of the draft booster packs though to get us started though. The rest will then follow as single packs though, and join the rest of the group. So, to kick this off though, for this one here, we're going to go ahead and make some new friends every day, or every Friday night. Sure. Draft has, of course, no basically, what do you call it, list cards, so we don't have to worry about that. Thumb our way through the commons here. Still like the diamonds, so the moss diamonds, the other diamonds in that format though, makes them unique though. Okay, Passageway Seer, Blood Boil Sorcerer, creepy. You look upon the Tarask, yeah, no thank you. Gut True Soul Zealot for there. And we're going to jump back to a common card here. Then we're going to go over to a rare. We've got the Intellect Devourer. Yeah, that's a creepy one there. And then our Night Token. Okay. Alright. Moving on to the next pack. Yeah, let's keep that in Intellect Devourer in view here just to creep you guys out a little more. So again, we'll basically work our way through the commons section. Oop. There's a gate, so put that aside. Another gate. There's like 9 gates though, so invoke Mist Dragon. I haven't actually seen that one though. Not, at least not that comes to mind though, so that is a new card though that I have not seen. Thunder Wave. Doesn't necessarily mean I haven't seen it, just means it doesn't come to mind though. Snake Cleric Warlock. Yeah, that's not creepy at all. And our next card is Rare Showcase. Dahina Invoker Adept. Oh, there we go. That's a nice hit. A Morphic Pool. Could be a Morphic Pole. Campfire. And then our Undercity card. Okay. One more pack to crack for this opening series. Temple is under attack. Treasure Keeper, the Sapphire Dragon, a Sailor's Bane, Safana Clamport Cutthroat, the Tavern Brawler, and we're going to grab a mythic here, Pact Weapon, Raga Draga Gorgot's Boss, that's in foil, and then a Construct. Okay, well, hey guys, appreciate you stopping by as always, hanging out, watching these videos. Obviously this is a little longer though for our quick pack, but it is kind of an intro video to what basically we're going to be landing on here. So I wanted to do a little bit of a different approach there, and appreciate you guys stopping by. We'll catch you in the next video. Have a great day.